Wait, I can see them. They've logged on.
I'm so happy to be here with you guys today. I'm Missa.
Hi there, I'm Kevin.
My name's Tommy.
My name is Matt.
Hi, I'm Beth.
I'm Russ.
It's Priyanka here.
My name is Tony.
Can you hear me?
Try to speak in the voice of your character as you write. Wooden Spoon, what's something interesting that's happened to you? Missa always leaves me in the sink without washing me. Oops.
So maybe now you can try and write a verse for your character. You're going to need some dialogue from the character, mention of what they could have done, perhaps, and then an excuse for why they didn't change things.
Now, my favorite type of magic, whenever I see it in a book or movie, is teleportation. Now I'm in my living room, and now I'm in the bathroom, standing in the toilet. Who left the toilet seat open? All right, I'm back, and I have wet feet.
Okay, we're going to go back to anger, and I just want you to jot down very quickly what are some things that would make a tree angry. So we're thinking about the life of a tree, what it's like day to day, and what things would frustrate them. And again, we're keeping that idea of how can I think like a poet and try and observe and come up with things that other people might not.
Lastly, we'll need to choose a special talent or perk that will be our secret weapon for the rest of our journey. In tricky situations, you can rely on this special talent to help you out. On the screen is a list of perks that you can choose from.
We glitched out, so all of our story characters got wiped. So without our characters, we're stuck online. You out there, can you help us create 2 more characters so we can get out of here?